sa basemina ye wo sa basemina ka so basemina ye sa na ye wo sa basemina ye wo sa basemina ka so basemina ye sa na ye wo sa basemina ye wo sa basemina ka
Hi, I'm Captain Richard, the inventor of solar wash machine. So I will take you through the system. As I said, this is the normal tap, and this is a sensor we created, and this is the bar that we call Ankorɛ, and this is the solar panel that we've done the installations to power the system. So as I said, I did not do this alone. I have other two brothers that helped in creating of this. One is Boachi, Ambara Boachi, and Edem that came on board to support me to make this invention. So I'll demonstrate for you to see how it works. So as soon as the sensor senses your hand, the system triggers the soap for 25 seconds to give you enough time to wash your hand very well. So as soon as, and it goes with alarm system. So as soon as the alarm system cuts, it triggers the water for you to wash off the soap from your hand. So that's how it works. So this is our invention, and we intend to achieve one purpose, that this can be put across every street in Ghana, and also hospitals, anywhere people gathers in front of churches. So we call on the corporate bodies, individuals, the government that can sponsor us to do more and put across all these places I've mentioned. We thank the government for acknowledging our invention yesterday, and we look forward to working with the government, and we are on standby for anything that they want us to do and also help us. As I said, this is not the only invention we intend to do. We have other inventions we intend to also come out with to help fight this COVID-19 in a systematic way. So all that we are asking for is the support. You know, all these things comes with money. We need to experiment. The components that we use are expensive. So we're looking for any partnership, being the government, individuals, or corporate bodies, so we can bring all these inventions that are in us into life. We thank everybody, and we thank everybody that shared our video, that made it viral. I also thank my family. I also thank my team members that also came on board to understand my vision and my idea, that we worked all this out to create this powerful system. I thank the media too. They've been supportive, trying to push the agenda till it got to the president. Finally, I also thank the Trade Ministry for responding very fast when the video went viral. I thank everybody, and I say God bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you.
So